Hey everybody, this is Meyer, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to make this hall kick. This is what it sounds like by itself. And in context, here's kind of the lead in. Like so. Alrighty, so to make this sound, it's a pretty simple sound. We're going to go ahead and copy our init patch. I'm just going to call this hall kick. Give it a color. And give it an icon. And what we're going to do here is we need to go ahead and actually create the kick itself, and then we're going to slap a bunch of reverb on it. So for this, actually, I want to create using this envelope to kind of create this sound. Yeah, and we're basically, the way the 909 kick was made, we're just going to use a sine wave oscillator. We are going to lock the phase, but I'm going to do that in a second. And we just need to basically map, I'm going to use aux 1. So the source is going to be envelope auxiliary 1, and the destination is going to be oscillator 1 is pitch XL. So let's go ahead and set this to the right octave first. I'm going to turn off key tracking and just bring it down there. That'll be kind of our fundamental note. And then what we simply do is just do that. And what we'll also do is I'm going to add a little bit of phase. As long as this attack is down, you get that click as it starts. So where I may start it, yeah, I like that. I want that initial snap there. And what I'm also going to do is go into the setup, and I'm going to turn the transient boost off, but I may choose this one of these modes, like maybe the pump mode. That's too much. Pop, click, maybe pop 25%. 12%. What this is doing is adding a little bit of high end to the sound, which that reverb is going to catch. Even if it's just there for a second, it's going to basically use that as an impulse. So that's what we want. I want kind of more of a full spectrum, but adding this too much, it just doesn't do it exactly what I want it to do. So, and it's not anything about the synthesizer, it's just basically the way these pitch envelopes kind of work. So what I'm going to use is this filter, not as, actually, you know what? We can just totally bypass this filter if you can just turn it off. Effects 1, I'm going to choose distortion and saturation. Adding some more harmonics. And then here's the real kind of meat and potatoes of the sound. We're going to choose the infinite reverb here. Lower the damping and keep the decay up. And then the limiter. Actually, let me not do this. Let me use a compressor. The reason I'm going to do this is so we can adjust the volume after the fact without needing, this is post volume, I believe. So this is pre-volume. So ratio. Cut out some of the lows. And then turn the volume up. With this size, you can actually adjust the shape of the room. And then what we can do is, if we wanted to, we could cut out some of the highs. You can also do it here with this. You can use this. And this also would do it. I think I like that. I think I like it without the pop and with this. It just depends. It's kind of a sound that's pretty picky. It's pretty sensitive because of that massive reverb. So let's go ahead and create a new pattern. I'm just going to call this hall kick. Go ahead and pencil it in. It doesn't matter where, but I usually like centering it there. And then we're going to just give it a color. And let's go ahead and see how this works. Mapped to the mixer. This should be mapped to 16. So it was a little too, I don't know, squelchy. Yeah, there we go. So we'll use it over here as well. Needs even more reverb. There we go. Sounded good.